Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. Today I am going to discuss about the database file location changed. We will move the database file MDF and LDF to one drive to another drive or one location to another location. Earlier I did it with the attach and detach method. This time we'll do with the alter database command. Let's start the video. Let me connect the management studio. This is my instance tech01 and the database testdb4, which I am going to move the LDF and LDF to another location. So you can extract the physical location of file with the sys database file tables. So this is the physical file name and this is the logical file name and location of the database testdb4. You can do it with the GUI also. Right click on database, go to properties and go to the files, click on files, and here you will get the logical file name and physical file name of the database testdb4, including with the the file location actually. So this is the file location where it's the database MDF LDF is residing as of now. So we'll see now how to move it with the alter command actually. So I'm going to moving the file MDF and LDF to another location. So I have written a command, alter database command, modify files. You need to give the physical file name and then the logical file, the location where you want to move this the MDF and LDFs. So let's example, I don't have another drive, so I am using the D drive only and just changing the location. So earlier it was on D underscore SQL setup, but now I am keeping the file to under D. So this is the command, alter database name, modify files, give the physical file name and logical file name location. Okay, through this way you can do it. So you need to execute this alter command. So let me execute this alter command. Yeah, so as the log is saying, it's modified. Alright, then what you need to do, you need to do the current existing connection. Already do it when it's approved the downtime, because you are taking the database offline. So what we'll do, I will move the file from the OS level as well to the target location. So this is the testdb4. Let me verify it. Yes, so this is testdb4. Earlier it was there. Let me delete these things. Okay, so this is my data location. I need to move this testdb4 physically from the OS level to the target location. Yes. Oh, I didn't take the database offline. Okay. Shit, man. Sorry. So I need to check the existing connection. So I can see there is no connection with database testdb4. So what we'll do, we'll take the database testdb4 offline. So again, the alter database name set offline. It will take the database offline. Let me refresh the instance. Database is offline now. Now you need to move the data MDF and LDF file to the target location. So now I am moving the MDF and LDF to target location. Yes, so MDF is under D now, and I need to move the LDF as well. So testdb4 LDF, I will move the target location. So file movement is done now. What we'll do, I will take the database online now, and we'll see whether the database, once it's coming online, it's coming with the new location or not. Alter database name set online. Let me refresh the database. Yes, the testdb4 is now online, and now we'll see from the sys database file location. Earlier it was D SQL setup data. Now it will, yes, so it's changed now. So now your database MDF and LDF of testdb4 it's moved. If you want to check through the GUI also, it's in a GUI also you can see now the path is under D only. So I think through this way you can do the move the database MDF and LDF to one location or one drive to another drive. You can do it with attach detach also, but this is another method. Through the alter database command you can do it. So hope it's cleared. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.